Hi guys, today we'll talk to Rohan. And Rohan, your strategy for CMAT 99.94 percentile. So first thing first, where are you from, basically from, and how much you prepare for the CMAT exam?
Okay, so I'm from Kota, Rajasthan, and back in last 2022 I've decided for CMAT in February actually. So there are only 2 months left. So my first strategy was to self-assess where I do a stand. First step I took is started taking some CMAT mock tests which are available on NTA website.
So you gave CAT exam, other exam? No, you didn't get it.
No, only.
You only
the
CMAT
time
exam.
I decided only CMAT was the last opportunity for me.
Right.
So first step was to self-assess where I stand because before I haven't attempted any exam.
Right.
So one thing was clear, I was pretty good in quant, logical and verbal. Only thing was GK and the newly added topic that was innovation and entrepreneurship. So I focused on that only, and because I had to take an IBM, it was my choice because I had on mine. I have to go to finance.
We'll come to NABM sometime. तो जब आपने CMAT का एग्जाम दिया, was any strategy fixed कि पहले मेरे को मैथ्स करना है, लॉजिक करना है? Is the order was fixed कि आप जिस order में आने दो, कैसे? What was the plan from the exam point of view?
Plan was to attempt the first weakest part actually.
Weakest part first.
Yes sir. That was
Okay.
First GK and I
Innovation,
started innovation and entrepreneurship. So
I also recommend that because doing these two topics first, because in first 20 minutes you are 40 questions done.
yes sir.
So you feel like yeah, speed game, you are in the game because
It hardly takes 30 minutes.
30 minutes max.
Yes,
तो
sir.
उसमें पूरा तुम्हारा 40 question done. Now 60 question many 2.5 hours.
Yes, sir.
So you get enough time to prepare that.
Yes, sir.
But this strategy can backfire as well because अगर तुम्हें GK एक भी question नहीं आता,
Yes, sir.
तो then the confidence will go for toss.
Yes, this year I was actually lucky because difficulty level of GK and IND were comparatively low in the last year.
Correct.
And maths, they difficulty took a notch higher. But I knew I am from mathematical background, so I will easily tackle that.
Manage that, right. और अच्छा अभी how you prepare for GK section?
GK actually sir, newspaper and news and daily news. That's all actually. And few YouTube videos here and there. And that's all.
So on cetking.com/GK we have uploaded last 1 year का GK.
Yes, sir.
तो अगर आप monthly PDF भी कर सकते हो, like lot of PDFs are available in the
sir,
market as well.
attempt several questions and that's all. Because you can never perfectly prepare for GK.
GK
You
है
have
ही
to-
no solution.
You have to ride on your luck. This year I consider myself lucky.
काश हमारा भी ऐसा लक हो कि हम भी स्कोर अच्छा कर सके इसमें. And how much is scored in GK if you remember?
GK out of 100 actually, no, out of 80 it was 75 actually.
75.
One question was incorrect.
GK तो you have to be topper of GK यार, तभी
Yes, sir,
तुम्हारा
yes,
वो CMAT में top करना तो GK top
Yes, sir,
करना
only
पड़ेगा.
GK and IA is the differentiating part. So everyone kind of scores well in other three parts.
So GK का we have made one Bible. So innovation Bible, GK Bible. So if you can go through that Bible, that will cover up quite a lot of things. And Bible innovation का तो इतना हो गया कि out of 20, 16 question coming from that only.
Yes, sir.
The same type of question being repeated every year. तो अगर आप वो Bible कर सकते हो, it's more than sufficient to crack the GK, the innovation section. Same we have the Bible for the GK part as well. ठीक है. So when you got 90.94 in CMAT, you have the CET option as well.
Yes, sir.
So were you exploring the CET option as well?
Yes, sir, I didn't knew much about it. Didn't know much about it because
So from all India category तो पता
sir,
नहीं
yes,
उसके
sir.
बारे में, right?
and going for it from all over India category is also difficult.
So when you selected NIBM, so NIBM कब आया बीच में? At what time you decided to that you can apply for NIBM and you can take NIBM?
It was largely word of mouth, and before I had decided this, I have to go to finance because I was in Pune 1 year, was working similar kind of role and knew because during COVID lockdown, there only BFSI sector was doing quite well.
Right.
So, and I needed that job security. Actually, graduation I had suffered same thing because of lockdown, didn't get a job. So that's when, and then started asking my friends, and NIBM is actually it's a hidden gem. They don't do lot of marketing.
Correct.
So it is RBI backed. The batch size is low, and then there's the only college where there is an assurance that I will end up only in a finance related job.
Okay, sales का job नहीं मिलेगा. हाँ,
no
that's
sales,
something
no
which
marketing.
I heard this year.
Yes, sir.
कि normally ना most of the company colleges, most of the colleges जहाँ पे banks are coming, but the profile offer the sale का profile.
Yes, sir, exactly.
This is one college where इतना confirm है कि sales का role नहीं आएगा.
Yes, sir.
Great, all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.